blocks that I think he needs help. Are you okay? Oh no, I think he's drowning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So now we're both drowning. I'm alive. I don't think he is. He's always dramatic. Oh, I'm stuck. Help! Help me! I'm stuck in a rock. Oh, never mind.
You want to get an outfit on?
Yeah. Guys, what you just saw a little bit ago was my new intro. Comment down below if you really like it, because I do, and I really like that music. And tell me, tell me what, you want me to do, what song it is for 6 seconds, you know. Just comment down below. If I like it, I'll always check out the songs and stuff. So guys, leave a comment because
I'm allowed to anyone to say
look at us.
Oh, we should have the same outfit.
Where are you?
I have to remove hat.
Wait, follow me.
Okay. We can put on whatever you want.
In here?
So yeah. Where are you?
I'm up here, Sydney.
I don't see you. Oh.
I kind of want to be a pirate. A wizard!
Wizard!
Wizard.
We need wizards together.
Wait, I don't think... I have a wizard's hat! Yay! Oh my...
Oh, yes! Where did you get that?
It will transform you.
I'm waiting for my transformation.
Oh, here it goes!
Okay, now we need wings.
Yes! That's big.
We must be magical.
What kind of black wings? Oh, yeah.
Wait, no, we already have the perfect view.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you get?
These black ones. Oh, yeah. I also have swords on my back. Go to those. Yes.
Okay, well now we need shade.
Oh, yeah. These right here.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. My name should be Charlie.
Yes. My name will be Gerald.
Oh, my God. We're twins.
Yes. I love this game.
We also need to pick a hair.
Yes.
Oh, I know. This really pink long hair.
I'm afraid because I like the beard and the hat.
No, I won't.
Which one? Wait.
Look at me.
Amazing afro.
Where is that?
Right here.
That's not an afro.
Well, it kind of is.
Okay, let me go do a different transformation real quick.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Comment. No. I am Charlie.
I'm Charlie.
I am.
Okay, I'm over Gerald. You're the dino. rank the best.
I'm getting on this one. I can't even get on the dinos in it. Oh, yay. Oh, my goodness. How do I do this? Oh, see, we're failing. We're going to get all the red buzzers. Ooh. Oh, winners for one of us. Oh! Why did you say Dino Dumps? I'm sorry. We should say...
Sorry. Okay. That was definitely the buzzer.
Wins. Charlie always. Ugh. I'm almost doing it today. I mean, Gerald.
No, I'm Gerald.
I said Gerald. No. Ow, no. I wanted to do it. Okay, let's go. Wait, now it's your time to pick.
Wait, we need to think of something actually good to do.
Yeah. Here, I'll invite you.
Okay.
I want to do Dino Clicker.
Okay.
Wait,
so,
let's do Campfire.
do what?
Campfire. I invited you.
But I feel like I might get bored because it's pretty much nothing.
Who cares? That's a dino. We can
We
can finish under the sea.
We could do
Oof.
Wipeout.
Do you realize how hard Wipeout is?
Exactly.
I'll never get to finish it.
We can do Super Laser Obby.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay. Okay. Can I pick up the apple for us this time?
Yes. I'll meet you down there.
So, transformation.
Guys, she said we were gonna have to be gorillas.
Yeah.
I have a gorilla on my legs. Oh my goodness.
I don't know what happened to me.
Oh no! I need my gorilla mask.
Let's do a different transformation.
I have a gorilla on my chest. Ah!
Okay, let's do a different transformation. Okay, let's be scared.
We have ping pong heads.
Okay, so transform into the science dude up here.
The sciencey dude. Hooey! Oh man. Okay, we're gonna have to make this. Hooey! Wait, you jump over there. I'm a dude with a hat. How did you get over there?
I'm transforming.
I'm not. Oh, yay!
I feel like we should do a different one.
No. I want to do campfire. Oh, yeah.
I thought we were doing Super Laser Obby.
No. Okay.
Okay, now this looks beautiful. Okay, so first you have to. Oh, all of these are beautiful. You must wear gingerbread.
Okay. Oh, the wings came with it.
Oh, you can just wear both. I like
Oh.
even more beautiful.
Look at my gingerbread face.
There we go. Okay, now you need a beautiful face. So, this one right here.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
And
get mine. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now you need some hair.
Some hair? But I have some hair.
Must have this beautiful bunny hair.
Okay.
There we go.
Oops. Yeah.
Find some beautiful hair. Because everyone needs hair. So get this beautiful mohawk.
One second.
There we go.
We are the rock and roll
And
team.
we are perfection.
We are a chaotic mess.
You also have